We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. This one has the 114 cubic inch engine. There's that beautiful Moroccan gold paint job with that little pinstripe on it as well. All the finishing is in that really pretty satin brushed aluminum look. And we have a huge rear tire. Gives you a lot of traction and really fun to ride. We have a 2-up seat. We have passenger pegs and rider floorboards. This bike runs off of a fob, so we are keyless. And we are at 7,651. We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.